Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in races. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, P and Q take part in a 400 meters race where P gives Q a start of 20 meters and still beats him by 13 seconds. The speed of P is 12 kmph. What is the speed of Q? That is the question. Friends, the speed of P is 12 kmph. That is equal to 12 into 5 by 18. That is equal to 10 by 3 meters per second. Friends, first let us see the time taken by P to run the race. So, the time taken by P to complete the race is equal to distance 400 meters, race 400 meters by speed 10 by 3. 10 by 3 comes to numerator. So, 120 seconds friends. 120 seconds. Friends, the time taken by P to complete the race is equal to 120 seconds. Friends, P beats Q by 13 seconds. So, the time taken by Q is 120 plus 13, 133 seconds. Friends, the time taken by Q is equal to 120 plus 13, 133 seconds. Friends, now we want the speed of Q. Friends, Q has a start of 20 meters. So, Q needs to run only 380 meters. So, Q runs this 380 meters in 133 seconds. So, the speed of Q is equal to distance. Q has to run only 380 meters distance by time 133 seconds. By doing into 18 by 5, we get kmph. 19 sevens, 19 20s. Friends, 5 fours. Friends, 72 by 7. This is approximately equal to 10.3 or 10.29 kmph friends. 10.29 or 10.3 kmph. Thank you.